All right, hope you're doing well. It is a gorgeous evening to be in the bee yard, and I'm going to jump into a couple of hives. This first hive here I'm going to look at is a big honey production hive. I took a honey super and stuck it down in between the two brood boxes at the bottom last week, so I'm anxious to see if they're packing that thing. Last time I did that, they packed it with honey. We'll see how the flow's still going. Weather's high 80s. A little bit of overcast skies, but just gorgeous to be out here. The bees are doing some flying, so stay with me. Okay, now this is the big hive I'm talking about here. It's pretty high, so high I can't even get to the top of it without having to get creative here, so I need a stand. Sorry for the bad camera angle, but it takes a second just to get to this thing. The top probably doesn't have much in it, but I'll tell you what, they put so much propolis up here in the last little while that it'll be interesting to see. Let's see if I can get this up here without knocking the whole thing over. Whew. I mean, wish you could see this propolis that is, oh goodness. All right. There may not be much in this top box, but I tried to give them some room just in case they hit some flow. Hey, look at this. We got fair bee numbers. Look at all these bees. I mean, this thing is packed with bees. They're up here on these frames, but they're not, I wouldn't say they're building them out yet. Looks like they might be doing a little bit of building right here. Okay, I'll keep pulling them off. Okay, well, this next honey super, goodness gracious. Well, this one's got a little bit of weight on it. Oh yeah, a ton of bees. Oh goodness. All right, now this one is a full honey super all the way across. That one's got some room on it right there. Got one frame with some room on it. The rest of them are solid honey. And even the one they're starting to build out, I can see in there. So just a ton of bee numbers though. Let me see here what we got. And I tell you, these bees are just, man, a good set of bees. I really enjoy this little colony. Wow, look at this one. Got more honey all the way across here. That one's new. This one looks like they're still expanding. That one's new right there, but they got a lot of, they do have some room right here. It looks like this one's got drone comb. Let's see if there's some weight on there. There's a little bit of weight on it. They're starting to pack it. There we go. A shiny, gorgeous nectar. They are packing nectar in here, so still got some flow. Maybe maybe clover. There's a lot of white clover still. That would be good. All right, I'm gonna come right here. Really thinking pretty soon I'm going to have to split these girls. There are just so many bees in this box. Alright, let me see what we can do here. I'm going to take this excluder off. But I put this honey super here in there last time. I'm anxious to see if it was not even drawn out. And a couple of drones got trapped. Couldn't get out. You always got to watch that. If you got a queen excluder on, always remember that your drones can't get out either. Queen can't get out, but neither can your drones. So look at this propolis. Look how thick and wet that propolis is right here. It is incredible. All right, got a couple bees that have taken notice. All right, here we go, girls. Run them down a little bit and let's see what we got. This thing should be full of honey. Last time it also had a lot of brood in here, so if I find some brood I may actually pull a little bit off and move it to one of my colonies that needs a little bit more. Okay, all right, nice and easy here. Get this up nice and easy. Okay, a little bit of brood that's left hatching right there. A ton of beautiful honey here. Looking to see if there's eggs down in there right now. It doesn't look like it. This is capped over like crazy. Gorgeous. Could absolutely be a queen up here, but I doubt it. If I can find, I'd love to see her. Haven't seen her in just a little bit, but I've seen lots of evidence of her being there. So that's most important. This little queen does a super job. Alright, that little bee is not the least bit happy with me. Okay, well here's another frame pulled out. Got a little bit of crazy comb here. Got some emerging brood. Don't see the queen right off on this frame. She could certainly be there. Some more emerging brood. I'll be on the lookout here because definitely could have queen up here at any point. This is a pretty good frame actually to donate if I needed to. Got some resources on it, but not a terrible amount. Alright. Let's look and see what else we got here on this next frame. Probably very similar situation. All these bees are sitting here staring at me. Alright, girl. Get away from the joints so I don't. Sorry about that. Alright. I like to move them. No point in just crushing a little bee. And give them fair warning to move away. Alright, here's a heavy frame. A lot of honey. Emerging brood. Don't see the queen here either, but got some pretty honey on it. Capped at the top. Honey almost all the way down. Pretty though. Don't see the queen right off. A lot of drone comb looks like. I want to make sure that's not a. Nah, it's just comb. I thought it might be a cell or two, but it's not. I'm going to stick this one on the inside. Okay, so a lot of honey on that one. Goodness, they have this so propolized. There's so many bees in here. Wow, heavy. More emerging brood. Let me see if I see anything. Oh, there's a queen cell. Nope, it's not capped. It looks like there's something in it though. They are packing that queen cell. See there? So there will be a queen cell there. This is emerging brood. Look across here, see if I see the queen. There's another cup they're working on. Emerging. Alright, now this might be a good one to donate as well. I'm going to watch this one real closely. But there's definitely, they are capping. If you can see inside of there, it is loaded, it's charged, so they're trying to fill it with royal jelly. Well, that is an issue. And I am going to try to fit this in my little holder here. These are great little things to install. If you don't have it on your hive, you should strongly consider it. Okay, here's another one. Inserted this frame last time because I donated some brood out of here. Hoping this queen's okay. She has done a great job. She may just be getting ready to get out of here. But I hope not. Alright, let me see here. Okay, well I've come across here. This starts just being full. Wow. Well, honey, look at this honey frame. This frame has, there's no telling how much this weighs, and it's not even completely full on this side. It's just packed. Oh man, that thing is so full. Look down through here, see how heavy that, how fat that, they've built this out. Not what you want to see, but just incredible amount of honey. Same with this one. Just take a look and see what this looks like here. A couple of these frames were not great shape. When I pull them out and do honey, I'm gonna replace them with other frames, but just look at this. Got a little bit of drone brood right there in the middle. This is weird. And a ton of honey. And they're packing nectar right there. Packing nectar, drone comb on the outside. Interesting combo. Alright, and then another really thick frame. This frame is in rough shape. I need to get it out of here, but it is full of honey. Wow. Wow, both sides honey. Okay, I'm gonna leave that one right there simply because it is heavy and it fits just right there. All right, lots of resources. Okay, well, I've got the frames back in here. I did take that one frame that had the cell on it, and I shook, well, actually I didn't shake the bees off. I took that frame and I put it into a little 2-frame nuke box to see if we can just get them to hatch that queen, because this queen's a really good one. I don't want to lose her. I want to go down in the bottom box and see if we can maybe see her or see some more brood, and then go from there. So I inserted a new frame that has plenty of extra space. Alright, so now I'm going to come down into this next box. Goodness gracious. Wow. There is a lot of honey in here though. I got to move it up at some point, put the excluder under it so that the bees can get out of it and I can get some of that honey when I extract. Alright, this is the box I installed or inserted last week. I'm not sure why that one's pulled up. Maybe when I just did that, it pushed it up. Look at all this propolis, soaking wet. Gave them room. Bees are moving up into it a little bit, but they're not drawing out. Let me see what they're doing here. That one's stuck down. And it's a super, they got it so stuck. Alright, so they're starting to draw out some things on it. But those are drone comb. If you see that, concerns me. A lot of drone comb there. Alright. So what may be smart is I might need to remove this box, put those two boxes together, because they might not be able to sense the queen down below, and they're thinking they got a swarm, or thinking they got to create a queen, and she's down in this bottom box maybe. Let me see. Okay, now look at this bottom brood box. Absolutely packed full of bees. So hopefully we can see our little queen down here. And what I'm going to do is when I put it back together, make sure I put that other brood box, the deep here, back on top, and I'm going to remove this one. That was probably a mistake. I bet they couldn't sense that queen that far away. I'm not 100% sure, but that's just my gut telling me. I may have screwed that up. Alright, be easy here. Without rolling anything here. Alright, they're packing resources in here, that's for sure. Got honey around this outside. Just an interesting look here. Pollen, lots of different pollens. Let me see here. Look at all of this pollen. Ton of it. Red. Absolutely red pollens out here. Beautiful. Don't see the queen right off. It's an outside frame. Probably won't. But I'm scanning to make sure I don't miss her. Okay. Well, change of events. I'm going to have to split this thing. It's just so full. So I have put the cell that was had a queen, or that was they were making a queen, back into this lower box. I'm going to leave this box alone. I'm going to take one of these honey supers. I'm going to give it back to this box. Actually, what I'm going to do, put the queen excluder on there first. You know what? Don't know if that queen could be up in here. Now, she should not be. And I didn't pull a frame. I did not see the queen. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to let her have the whole box if she's in there. Let them have that box. I'm going to put this on top of here. And then give them one additional super. this super right here that has some bees in it. It's extra space. They most likely don't need it, but I'm gonna give it back to them. On this other box, I'm gonna give them this one. Oh, goodness gracious, this thing is stuck together. Wasn't planning on splitting it, but it's just gotten too big. And I'm seeing some concerning things in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and split it. Lots of drones, so they're either gonna swarm or something, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it before that. That way this will kind of artificially give them a swarm sensation, if that's what it was about. This is way too much space, but let me find a queen excluder. Okay, well, I got this one finished up, found a little queen excluder. I'm just going to remove that other little box, don't need it. They probably got too much. This one's completely empty almost, but there were some bees, so I just dropped it in there for extra space. Hopefully, if they don't have a queen, they can make a queen. I'll watch them. Same here, it does have some queen cells down in the bottom. I'm going to put this top back on. Queen excluder's right here. Top back on there. A few bees up top that didn't quite make it. And here's the lid. Sorry, girls. Okay, all right. Wasn't what I expected, but hopefully they can get it figured out pretty quick and I won't lose any bees. Okay, well, not the visit I wanted, but I knew I was going to end up having to split this hive pretty soon. After getting into it and just looking at it, it felt like I needed to kind of break it apart and give it a new opportunity here. So I've split this hive. Let's see how they do. All right, God bless.